Bob and Billy and the Exploding Bomb.
What are we going to do today, Billy?
I don't know, Bob.
Maybe we should ask Rocky.
Guys, I think I hear a bomb. Let's take a drive.
A bomb?
A bomb?
Oh no, what are we going to do? A bomb! A bomb! Oh no! Let's go! Let's get in the truck! You drive, okay?
Oh, brother.
A bomb? Oh my god, let's go! Let's go! Hey, where'd you get that cookie? I wish I had a cookie. A bomb! It's a little wet. Keep your eyes on the road, a bomb!
A bomb! A bomb!
A bomb! I wonder where Rocky is. Where's Rocky?
Where's Rocky?
Wonder where that bomb is. I think I found it. I found it. That's where the bomb is. Yes, I found it. Wonder where those Billy and Bob are. Wonder.
Where's the bomb? Where's the bomb? Is there a bomb?
You guys.
Is there a bomb?
It's gonna explode.
There it is. There it
We
is.
can all die.
It's not ticking.
It's not ticking.
Rocky.
Rocky.
He saved the day. All right.